Hello tigers. Yes, I know that you are waiting for the class. First of all, let me give you a warm, sweet welcome to the online kindergarten sessions. Have you taken your breakfast? Have you taken good stuff, tummy full? Yes, children. Drink enough milk, take good breakfast, and then get ready for the sessions. I know that you will be doing all these things without troubling your parents. My lovely kids will surely follow all these things pretty well. Yes, children, time is very precious. Every minute is precious, every hour is precious, and that is why I don't want to make any delay from my side, and I would like to start the session right away. Welcome everybody. Welcome to English session. You love English? You love to speak in English? You love to talk in English? You want to hear, listen English everywhere? Yes, children. Yes. Here I would like to start. Let's have a good go. Yes. Have a look at the screen, children. Yes. What do you see on the screen? You know all these words. You have learnt all these words. You have written all these words. You have read all these words. You have given examination on all these words. But still, it's the time for us to revise, to gain good practice. Yes. Here we have words from A to Z. Let's learn them with lots of fun and happiness. Let me start with A. A for apple. Yes, apples are red in colors. B for banana. Banana. Yes, ripened bananas are yellow in color. Unripened bananas are green in color. C for cat. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 pussycat. Yes. D for dog. Bow, 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 ow. Yes. E for elephant. Elephant, the largest animal. The largest animal in the jungle is elephant with a big trunk. F for fox. Yes, cunning fox. Foxes are very clever. They are very cunning. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. Yes, giraffe has a long big neck. Yes. H for horse. Yes, horses run fast. Horse riding is very thrilling. I for ice cream. Yeah, yummy. Ice cream. J for jug. Yes, I would love to drink a jug of apple juice. Do you want to drink? Yes. K for kite. Kite, K-I-T-E, kite. I love flying kites. Do you fly kites high up in the sky? Yes, we do fly kites during a famous festival, that is Sankranti. Every one of us fly colorful kites high up in the sky and have a lot of fun. L for lion. Roaring lion. Lion. Lion is the king of the forest. Yes. M. M for monkey. Monkey. A playful monkey. When you go to temples, you see monkeys snatching away bananas, coconuts from your basket. Yes, monkeys are very mischievous. You see them jumping on the trees. N. N for notebook. Yes, you carry many notebooks to your classroom. You write, isn't it? You write in your notebooks. O. O for owl. Owl is a bird. Is a bird which has round eyes. The speciality of the owl is it hoots and it has two round eyes. P. P for pig. Children, keep yourselves away from the pig. Pigs in your street. Yes. Q. Q for queen. Lovely queen, beautiful queen who dresses very grand, who dresses very royal and has a crown on the head. Nice. R for rabbit. Rabbit. Yes. Rabbits love carrots. Carrots, that is why they are so beautiful, so cute. If you want to be cute, beautiful, pretty, eat many carrots like a rabbit. Yes. Yes for sheep. Yes, children, what do you get from the sheep? Wool. We wear sweaters in winter season which keep us warm. Those sweaters are made from the wool that we get from the sheep. T. T for tree. Yes. Plant a tree on your birthday. It's a very good habit, children. Make your own garden in your home. On every birthday of yours, plant a tree and give water to it. Enjoy the growth of the plant. Watch the growth of the tree. You will really have the fun of the nature. Yes. U for umbrella. Yes, children. In rainy season we use umbrella. In summer season we use umbrella. Really, I have an umbrella which has all the rainbow colors. I love umbrella with all rainbow colors. Yes. V for violin. Violin. Yes, children. See, you should learn music. Start learning music right from kindergarten. Learn music, instrumental music like guitar, violin, etc. W for watermelon. Yes, watermelon. I love watermelon because it has plenty of water. Yes, we find them in summer season. They really keep us cool. Yes. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Lovely music you get from xylophone. Xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo. All the children love to play with yo-yo. What is yo-yo? Yo-yo is a toy which is favorite for most of the kids like you. Yes, now the last one, that is Z. Z for zebra. Yes, zebra. The speciality of zebra is it has stripes on the body like black and white, as you see on the road, zebra crossing. Zebra lives in jungle. Zebra lives in forest. Yes, children. Nice. We really had a very good revision Today in this session you have learnt all the words that are related to alphabet, that is from A to Z. As promised, we are going to make the session very joyful, very playful, very stress-free by giving you extra energy, extra learning mood. Watch the video, everybody. Yes, children. Aha, oho, ehe. Really, the video was like aha, oho. That is all from this session. Meet you tomorrow. Thank you, everybody. Stay happy, stay smiling.